In this video, we're going to explore the concept of subtracting vectors. We can use tactile materials to represent the vectors and the process of subtracting them. Let's start by creating a physical representation of two vectors. Here, we have two arrows representing the two vectors. We'll label the arrows with letters V and W to represent the two vectors. Now, let's subtract these two vectors. Say V minus W. We need to reverse the direction of the second vector W and add it to the first vector V. So this is the W. So the reverse of vector W is this vector. Again, you'll see that it has the same magnitude but in opposite direction of vector W. We call the reversed second vector as negative W. To add these vectors, we'll place the tail of the reversed vector negative W at the head of the first vector V. This is our negative W, and this is the negative W, which tail is placed on the head of the first vector V. Again, make a vector that connects the tail of the first vector V and the head of the reversed vector negative W. This vector is the difference between the two vectors, that is V minus W. The components of the difference of vectors are the difference of the corresponding components of vectors V and W. Let us say V is 2, 2 and W is 1, 3. Let's subtract W from V, that is V minus W. So we have 2, 2 minus 1, 3. Then subtract the corresponding components. 2 minus 1 is 1. 2 minus 3 is negative 1. So the difference between the vectors V and W has the components 1, negative 1. Let us check. So this is our difference, and it has the components 1 for X, negative 1 for Y. So again, that is 1, negative 1. That's it for subtracting vectors. Remember, to subtract vectors, we simply subtract their corresponding components. By understanding this concept, you'll be able to apply it to a variety of fields. Thank you for watching. See you next time.